Om Sairam. Today we can discuss the topic is Kirchhoff rules. Kirchhoff first rule. The algebraic sum of the current at any junction of a circuit is 0. Formula is summation of I equal to 0. Here that is current entering the junction is taken as positive and leaving the junction is taken as negative. Here that is I1, I2, I3 it is positive, I4 and I4 is the negative. That means I1 plus I2 plus I3 minus I4 minus I5 equal to 0. I1 plus I2 plus I3 is always equal to I4 plus I5. Kirchhoff's second rule. In a closed circuit, the algebraic sum of the products of the current and the resistance of each part of the circuit is equal to the total EMF induced in the current. The formula is summation of IR equal to summation of psi. First, going from A to B, that means V equal to positive IR. Going from B to A, V equal to minus IR. Going from A to B, negative to positive means V equal to positive psi. Going from B to A, positive to negative means V equal to minus psi. Bridge balance in Beanstone bridge. Here P, Q, R, S, 4 resistance, G for galvanometer. It is connected between junction B and D. Battery is connected between points A and C. Applying the Kirchhoff's current rules. First, junction B, that means I1 minus Ig minus I3, that is equal to 0. This is the first equation. Junction D, I2 plus Ig minus I4 equal to 0. This is the second equation. Next, applying the Kirchhoff voltage rule. Here that is a two loops. One is loop ABDA, another loop BCDB. ABDA. Here I1P plus IgG minus I2R equal to 0. This is the third equation. Loop BCDB, I3Q minus IgG minus I4S equal to 0. This is fourth equation. Next, substitute Ig equal to 0 in equation 1, 2, 3, 4. First equation I1 minus Ig minus I3 equal to 0. Ig க்கு பதிலா 0 substitute பண்ணோம்னா I1 minus I3 equal to 0. I1 equal to I3. This is the fifth equation. Second equation la Ig க்கு பதிலா 0 சொல்லி substitute பண்ணோம்னா I2 minus I4 equal to 0. I2 equal to I4 வரும். This is the sixth equation. Third equation la Ig க்கு பதிலா 0 substitute பண்ணோம்னா I1P equal to I2R கிடைக்கும். Fourth equation la Ig க்கு பதிலா 0 substitute பண்ணோம்னா I3Q equal to I4S னு வரும். This is the eighth equation. Seventh equation divided the eighth equation. I1P by I3Q equal to I2R by I4S. Already the fifth and sixth equation la I1 க்கு பதிலா I3 போடலாம், I2 க்கு பதிலா I4 போடலாம். அப்பனா I3P by I3Q equal to I4R by I4S னு வரும். I3 cancel ஆயிரும், I4 cancel ஆயிரும். அப்பனா P by Q equal to R by S. This is the condition for the bridge balance. Thank you.